What expectation? I think I expected to love myself more, to know myself more, and maybe to heal from what my past traumas. Yeah, because actually my sister was the one who encouraged me to come here because she knows all my bullshit in life. She's the one suffering because of it. Yeah, because whenever I get breakdowns, I always attack her. So I think she got fed up and then saw Ellen's video. So parang she told me, you should try this. And then actually days before coming here, I was about to back out. It's like, you know, that fear. Yeah, the fear of knowing the real you. Yeah, and how it takes to change you as a person. So yeah, I think I expected a lot from this training, and it became to the point that you want more. You want more, that 3 days, 4 days is not enough. It exceeds my expectations. Like, especially in the program, the one they gave us, they said it was all about meditation. So I was expecting, oh, yoga thing. Maybe I love yoga. So I was like, maybe I can learn not to sleep while doing yoga, because I did that before. So it's like, when they pushed us to our limit, like you guys tortured, like literally tortured us, I was like so surprised, yet at the end of the day, it was so painful yet so satisfying. A lot. I learned not to fear. It's, especially during the thumbtacks activity, which is why I cried. Like, it was something, I realized something that all my life I was limiting myself. Yeah. So during that time, it was so satisfying to know I can do more. So during my 4 days here, I learned that about myself. So I expect more to learn during the time I will be in Bali. So yeah, I know I'm craving for more. Oh, I love them. They're so supportive. Everyone's so happy. You feel that safe place. Like, you're not ashamed to cry, to say something that might embarrass you. It's amazing how they love to see you in pain. I'm like, okay, they like to torture people, but they know it's what's best for you. So parang you want to kill them, but at the same time you love them for it. Yeah.
We've been through it all.
And that's why I respect
why
you
we
guys.
enjoy the
Yeah.
process of it.
I see your smiles every time we moan, like, oh. And then you guys at the back are laughing. It's like, okay. Like, I see you guys are so happy. Like, you guys are so happy that it's not you.
Yeah.
It's not you that are in pain. Yes, please, yes. That's why I keep on asking, when's the next program? Yes, please. Coach, you know how grateful I am for you, for coming here, for helping us. I think Philippines need this. Philippines does not have that great support in terms of mental health, and you understand that. You help us in achieving what you are one of the few people who can see what we falsely show to other people. You can see beyond that fake smile. You can see our fake strength. So we are grateful, and every time, like every dinner time, whenever you guys are not there, we bond and talk how grateful we are for this experience, and we are craving for more. We're planning to go to Bali as a team. We're planning to do the training together, even though you guys are not allowing it, because maximum, no, we're gonna find ways. We're gonna find ways. You're gonna accommodate all of us. Yeah, because we have that, we already have that family kind of feeling. We know each other's problems. We know why we are here. We can support each other, and we're not ashamed to share anything anymore. It's short, that's why we're craving for more time, even though we're in this beautiful place and we have it. Actually, all of us said we're in a beautiful resort, but we haven't enjoyed a thing about this resort. Because it's plain torture. It's so hard to get up. But, you know, we know that we need this. And we are so amazed that, yeah, you guys helped Coach come here. So we are grateful that he took the time, the effort, and we know his goal, that he wants Philippines to have that kind of training, and for a lot of people to experience this kind of training, because we all need it. We all need it. Even though at least once in your life, we need it.